everything is running? Is guys, okay.
Start this one ready to go.
Okay.
So,
That's running. Hey, you want to tell us about it? Go ahead. So tell your group number.
we're team number 1, and so we start off with this air source. Fills this chamber with air and allows this to slide all the way down. We'll hit the pressure sensor, which will trigger this motor right here to shoot the cannon. The cannon will launch a ball into the tuning fork, which will set off the sound sensor. That in turn will turn on that motor over there, launching another cannon. And one of two things will happen here. Originally, our plan was to launch the ball directly into this tube. And it works by hand, but when the motor launches the cannon, we have trouble getting it to be accurate. So either it'll go down and knock down these dominoes, or the force of the marble will move the entire ruler, knocking over the dominoes. And the dominoes will fall over, knocking over these books, which will in turn press this touch sensor, moving the robot forward, which will knock the weight off. The weight will pull this ruler out from underneath this pendulum. The pendulum will turn on the air supply down here, inflate the balloon, and eventually pop it.
You forgot to say, while it goes down, this flag will go up.
And while this goes down, our team flag will be raised by this Lego guy down here. So the hardest thing was getting the marble to line up to the tube here, but once we realized that the force would actually knock down the dominoes anyways, that worked. The other thing that was really hard was the sound sensor. The force of this slide going down and hitting the touch sensor was loud enough to trigger the sound sensor, so getting that correct balance of only registering the tuning fork. So anyways, I think we're ready. You guys ready?
Make sure it's running.
Oh yeah.
Ready, set, 3, 2.
How long does it take?
It didn't take very long last time.
Is there a hole in the balloon? Or? It might be.
Maybe a hole. We tested it last week with everything.
How much is it from?
Because this is